I'm going to show you how to combine text that's in multiple columns into one cell. So it's a formula. We'll type an equal sign, then we'll point to the first cell we want. And the way we add text together is we use the ampersand symbol. That's known as a concatenation symbol. Then any kind of punctuation we want has to be enclosed in quotes. So we'll do quote, space, quote. We'll do another ampersand, and then we'll point over to the last name. When we hit enter, it's now combined those two. Now, what if we want the last name, comma, space, first name? Well, all we have to do is write another formula. We'll do equal. We'll point to the last name. We'll use that concatenation character. We'll do quote, comma, space, quote, another concatenation, and then we'll point over to the first name, hit enter, and now we have the last name followed by the first name. Now, if you want to copy this down real quickly, just select those, go to that little green box, get the little plus, double click, and now we've copied it all the way down.